Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is about Microsoft Edge. So of course we had security updates. For those that follow the channel, you know I'm always talking about those updates of different software and especially the browsers and operating system. Well, Microsoft Edge, if you're a user of Edge, there was a update that was released yesterday, October 21st. And is rolling out. If you go to Edge, upper right corner, help and feedback, and about Microsoft Edge, you should be, if not already, updated to 95.0.1020.30. So 95.0.1020.30. What's in here? Security fixes. We told you about the Google Chrome security fixes when the version 95 rolled out this week. Well, now it's time for the Microsoft Edge browser to have security updates for those same security flaws. So really security updates only. So they're important to apply if you are using Microsoft Edge. And if you are a user of anything else than Edge or Chrome, and it is Chromium based, that means anything but Firefox. Firefox is a different browser. It's not based on Chromium, so that one has it's a different set of security flaws that are fixed regularly. But any other browser, Brave and Opera and so on, are all Chromium based, and they will all get these updates. So if Edge is updated today, that means you should probably check your browser for updates, whatever browser you're using, just to be on the safe side, because they will get the same Chromium-based security updates, which is common base for all of these browsers. So once again, Microsoft Edge browser, up in the upper right corner, and help and feedback, and then you want to go to About Microsoft Edge. Check for 95.0.1020.30, and that will make you safe online when you're using the browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.